Hey class, it is Mrs. Gilling here, going over your Unit 5 video assignment. Figure that out. We're in Unit 5. That means one more unit after this, and then we're done for the quarter. So time is super flying by, and I'm excited to introduce this project to you. But before we do, here's a joke of the unit. What happened when the wheel was invented? It caused a revolution. Get it? A revolution. Anyways, I thought it was good, but I think all jokes are good, so I guess I'm not a good judge of character on that one. But there you go. The wheel caused a revolution. All right, let's roll into your project 5. Here is what you have to do. Briefly describe each of these terms from a sociological perspective: adolescence, dating, and teen suicide. For each term, include a general description and a review of major characteristics and trends. Then use real-world examples to help explain the term within context of U.S. society. Write 5 complete paragraphs. So another 5-paragraph essay, this time on different issues affecting young people today. So I wanted to just give you some keys for success. Just kind of break down how to set up your essay. And if you do your essay like this, you're going to be successful and you're going to get a good grade and learn a lot. So first of all, you want to start with a solid introduction, just like all of the essays for this class. Make sure to have a thesis statement and an overview of your 3 main points. Then your first body paragraph should talk about adolescence. More specifically, make sure to first provide a general description of adolescence. At the end of the day, what is adolescence? If someone were to ask you what adolescence is, your general description would be your response to that. You also need to review major characteristics and trends. One of the things you're going to learn as you study adolescence this unit is that not everywhere in the world is adolescence a thing. In some societies, kids turn a certain age and then boom, they're adults, and they don't really experience adolescence like they do in the United States. So review major characteristics and trends. What's adolescence like, essentially? And then finally, use real-world examples to explain adolescence within context of the U.S. society. Here I want you to let me know, what are things that are going on in the United States that make adolescence different than other parts of the world? Be specific here. What are specific things that adolescents in the United States may face it that makes their experience in adolescence different than other people? Or why are people in the United States, young people, why do young people in the United States go through adolescence and others don't? So make sure to be specific there. The key here is U.S. society. I want to know that you understand what adolescence is like here in the United States. Next, you're going to write a body paragraph on dating. Specifically, provide a general description. So what is dating? Then you're going to review major characteristics and trends. So what does dating look like? What is it? What do people usually do when they go on dates? What was dating like before? What is it like now? Just kind of give me a deeper different look into what dating's like. And then finally, just like the other one, use real-world examples to explain dating within context of the U.S. society. So what does dating look like today in the United States? How is dating in the United States different from dating in other places in the world? Make sure to provide examples so that I can understand that you know what dating is like in the United States. And then final body paragraph, as we move on here, write 1 paragraph on teen suicide. Again, provide a general description. What is teen suicide? Review the major characteristics and trends. And then use real-world examples to explain teen suicide within context of the U.S. society. So one of the things you're going to learn is that teen suicide rates have been going up. And I want you, when you talk about characteristics and trends, to mention that would be the trend, that suicide is going up, the suicide rates. When you talk about examples in the United States, why might those rates be going up? This is a great time to share examples of what's causing this disaster essentially to happen, and what are some things maybe that could change the United States to make that a little bit different. If you have any questions about what to include in your essay, please definitely let me know. When I taught this class a few quarters ago, this was one of the essays that people struggled with because they had a hard time differentiating between the characteristics and the examples. So characteristics here, just think about it as numbers. How many of people are doing something? Is it increasing or decreasing? And examples, just be specific there. Why are those things happening in the United States? Help us understand those numbers with those examples. And please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. After you write your 3rd body paragraph, remember to do a conclusion where you restate your thesis statement and your 3 main points. And if you do those things, then you will be solid and successful on this essay. Again, reach out to me if you have any questions. But other than that, now that you've watched the video, please go to our Google Classroom and complete the video assignment. After this one, you only have one more left, and they definitely help me to know that you watched the video and that you understand the projects, and it boosts your grade. So good luck on this essay, and I'm excited to read it. Thanks, guys.